Welcome to Sunhub Tutorials. In this video, we'll introduce the new automated shipping quote feature for buyers inside Sunhub's marketplace. Previously, shipping costs were usually the first question during negotiation. Buyers had to manually share address and quantity details. This created back-and-forth communication and delayed contract generation. Now buyers can generate shipping estimates directly inside Trader Chat. When a buyer places a bid using Send Offer or Send Inquiry, a Trader Chat is created automatically. Inside the chat, the buyer will see a Get Quote button at the top right. Clicking this button opens a pop-up window where delivery details can be entered. Select the state, city, zip code, pickup date, and quantity. The system validates both buyer and seller location data in real time. All details must be entered accurately to receive a valid estimate. Next, choose any required additional services and click Confirm. The system instantly displays the pickup date, transit time, estimated delivery date, and logistics charges at the top of the chat. If needed, the buyer can adjust the additional services and update the estimate. Click View Details to see a complete summary of the shipping breakdown. A new shipping estimate can be generated at any time. However, creating a new estimate will automatically expire the previous one. This feature reduces negotiation delays and helps both parties move more quickly toward finalizing the contract. Thank you for watching this tutorial.